Changing your phone number on a Kraken account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Kraken website or app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have your two-factor authentication method ready if it's enabled. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile or account section of the platform. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security settings option. This section allows you to manage your phone number and other security features. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the option to change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, which may include receiving a confirmation code via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After entering and verifying your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. Check for any confirmation messages to ensure the update was successful. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Kraken account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken's support for assistance.